Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirimon University, Basa Vihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे तो 80 vital MCQs on banking and financial institutions. So I have prepared the 80 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus of nta-ugc net JRF फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा इन दैट इज द मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट के लिए. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल होगा फॉर द सेमिस्टर एग्जामिनेशन. सो फॉर द कॉमर्स मैनेजमेंट MFC एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, पर्टिकुलरली फॉर द PGT, SSP एंड अदर लेक्चरशिप एग्जाम के लिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, so this MCQs will be very useful and fruitful, particularly for the semester examination. Friends, you will get in fill in the blanks or MCQ or true or false or write one or two sentences. So that's why आज का डिस्कशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूजफुल होगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन, इफ यू एनी मिसमैच और गैप you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So before discussion, once again I am wishing all the very best, and not only the UGC net JRF examination but also the semester and other of your examination. So friends, without delay, without wasting our golden time, so आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. क्या बात है. सो अगेन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रॉम बिगनिंग से टिल एंड, काइंडली आप देखिए और एकेडमी का मजा लीजिए. आई एम होपफुल दैट सो दीज 80 MCQs विल बी वेरी यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल इन योर एग्जाम. सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा पहला MCQ है, RBI एक्ट हैज बीन इनएक्टेड इन व्हिच ईयर, वेदर 1934, 1935, 1947, 1956. So friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब RBI Act has been enacted in 1934. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Second one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the interest rate on deposits of a cooperative society is fixed by whom? Whether it's the government of India, be it the state government, it's the registrar of the cooperative society, D it's the Reserve Bank of India. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The interest rate on deposits of cooperative societies is fixed by register. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, you have to match the list 1 with list 2 which are given below. Okay, so list 1 name of the committee and list 2 it's the purpose of the committee. A it's the Raghu Ram Rajan committee, B it's the Basel committee, C it's the Urjit Patel committee, D it's the Bhagal committee. So list 2 it's the money market of India, B it's the reform for financial sector, third one it's the supervision of a bank, fourth one it's examining the monetary framework. So select the right options from the following which are given below. A it's A1, B2, C3, D4, B it's A4, B3, C2, D1, C it's A4, B3, C2, D1, D it's A4, B3, C1, D2. So friends, D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब A for 4, then B for 3, C it's for 1 and D it's for 2. मतलब so Raghuram Rajan committee is related to examining the monetary framework. So the Basel committee is related to the supervision of a bank. Then Urjit Patel committee is related to money market of India, and the Bhagal committee is related to the reform for financial sector. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the scheduled banks are the banks included in dash schedule of RBI Act 1934. Whether it's first schedule, be it second, schedule third, C it's the third schedule, D it's the fourth schedule. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, I am चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a scheduled bank. So during the discussion we will also discuss the important meaning and concepts with regard to the banking and the financial institutions. So scheduled banks are those banks which are listed under the schedule 2 or second of RBI Act 1934. The paid up capital and the raised funds of a bank must be at least कितना rupees 5 lakhs to qualify as a scheduled bank. Friends, now are clear what is the meaning of scheduled bank. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे which statement is or which statements are true about the central bank. It's it is the apex bank of a country. Second one, it regulates the entire banking system in the country. Third one, it's under the ownership of the central government of a country. So options are second only, B it's the first and second only, C it's the second and third only, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option. So these are these statements मतलब so first, second and third one are true or the correct statements with regard to the central bank. So next one हम देखेंगे select the correct sequence of steps to follow for trading procedure in stock exchange. A it's a placing an order, opening a trading account, demand account, execution of order, settlement of order. Then B opening a trading account, then demand account, placing of order, then execution of order and settlement of order. C it's a opening a trading account, then demand account, settlement of order, execution of order, placing an order. D it's a settlement of order, opening a trading account, demand account, then execution of order and placing an order. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब opening a trading account and demand account, placing of order, execution of order, settlement of order are the trading procedure in stock exchange. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे it serves as an intermediary between the investor and the depository who is authorized to maintain the accounts of dematerialized shares, who is known as whether we'll call stock exchange, B it's stock dealer, C it's the depository participants, D it's the depository. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of DP, depository participant. So DP is an agent of the depository through which it interfaces with the investor. So a DP can offer depository services only after it gets the proper registration from the SEBI. So आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a depository. So depository is an institution or organization who holds the securities like the shares, debentures, bonds etc. in electronic form in which trading is done. So who provides the depository services? So there are two depository organization, CDSL and another is NSDL. So CDSL stands for Central Depository Service India Limited. NSDL, so it's the National Securities Depository Limited. So friends, and now I am hopeful that you are clear. So next one हम देखेंगे who are the participants in the capital market. So development banks, commercial banks, stock exchanges, custodians. Then the fifth one is the depository participants. Whether the options are the first, second, third, four only. B it's first, second, third, and fifth only. C it's second, third, fourth, four and fifth only. D it's all of these, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Development banks, commercial banks, stock exchanges, custodians, depository participants. So they are the participants in the capital market. So friends, it's the part 10 so far as the UGC and net JRF for the subject of commerce is concerned. So friends, I have already posted the 9 parts. Kindly go through the posted video. So next one MCQ, coins are issued by whom? whether A it's RBI, B it's the government of India, C it's the Indian bank, D it's the State Bank of India. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So coins are issued by the government of India, that is the Ministry of Finance. Secretary signature is Ministry of Finance, okay, will issue the coins. So next one हम देखेंगे which statements are correct with respect to the financial market. So first one is they link the households that save the funds and business firms that invest these funds. Second statement, they allocate the funds available for investment into most productive investment opportunity. Third one, they work as an intermediary between the savers and the investor to mobilize the funds between them. So options are okay. So first and second only. B it's first and third only. C it's second and third only. D it's all of these, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the first statements, second statements and third statements are correct statements or are true or correct with respect to the financial market. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे RRBs, regional rural banks were established in which year? Whether A it's 1955, B it's 1965, C it's 1975, D it's 1985. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So RRBs were established in the year 1975. So next one हम देखेंगे डैश इज द अपेक्स इंस्टीट्यूशन व्हिच हैंडल्स द refinance for agriculture and rural development in India. Whether A it's the RRBs, B it's the RBI, it's typing error is the C is the NABARD, D it's the CDB. मतलब SIDBI it's CDB. So NABARD it stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So no doubt, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So NABARD has been established in the year of 1982. Then CDB it has been or it was established in the year of 1990. So next one MCQ for calculation of a capital adequacy ratio, that is the CAR. The banks need to consider which risks, whether it's operational risks, then credit risks, third one it's market risks, fourth one is it's a liquidity risks. Select the right option. So A is first, second, third only, B it's the second, third, fourth only, C it's the second, third, fourth only, D it's all the above, friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब so bank has to consider operational risks, market risks, credit risks and liquidity risks for the purpose of to have or to maintain the CAR, capital adequacy ratio. I have friends हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of a CAR. So capital adequacy ratio, it's a measurement of a bank's available capital expressed as a percentage of bank's risk weighted credit exposure. So it's the meaning of a CAR. So next one MCQ, the banks need to classify the non-performing assets, मतलब NPH, into whether A it's doubtful assets, then bad debts, then loss assets, B it's the substandard assets, doubtful assets and loss assets, C it's the doubtful assets and loss assets, D it's the standard assets and substandard assets. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Banks need to classify NPH into substandard assets, then the doubtful assets and the loss assets. In a separate video, friends, we will discuss in detail, that is the NPA, the causes of NPA and other aspects of NPA. So friends, I am चर्चा करें what is the meaning of NPA. The classification of loans or advance that are default on in areas, or in very simple language, when the customers or the borrowers does not pay the principal amount as well as the interest amount or its EMI. In this situation, so bank will declare the NPA after 90 days. It's the meaning of NPO. So next one हम देखेंगे IRDA. Friends, so it's stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act of India. Whether 1997 beats 1998, C it's the 1999, D it's 2000. So friends, so it's the Asan question. So C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब IRDA Act is that is 1999. So next one हम देखेंगे who has served the governors of RBI as well as also the finance minister of India. Whether A is the Pranab Mukherjee, B is the P. Chidambaram, C is the Nirmala Sitharaman, D is the Dr. Manmohan Singh. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So Dr. Manmohan Singh has served the governor of RBI as well as the finance minister of India as well as the prime minister of India. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे from the insurance, the principle of indemnity will not applicable in which types of insurance. Whether it's the fire insurance, B it's the life insurance, C it's the liability insurance, D it's the health insurance. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, I am चर्चा करेंगे what is the or meaning of a principle of indemnity. So indemnity means security, protection or compensation given against the damage, loss or injury. So according to the principles of indemnity, an insurance contract is signed only for getting the protection against the unpredicted financial losses arising due to the future uncertainty. So insurance contract is not made for profit making, else it's a sole purpose is to give the compensation in the case of any damage or loss. It's the meaning of principles of indemnity, because the life of the human being cannot be indemnified. So its value accurately one cannot estimate or measure the true value the life of a person. So next one हम देखेंगे select the following activities undertaken by Government of India to tackle the NPH in an ascending order of chronologically. So first one is it's the debt recovery tribunals, B it's the credit information bureau, I mean the CIB, C it's the corporate debt restructuring मतलब CDR, fourth one is the compromise settlement मतलब CB, last one is that is the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of securities interest acts. It's Surface Act 2002. Friends, so you have to remember. So select the correct option from the following as given below. Whether A it's the third, second, fifth, fourth, one only, B it's the second, third, fifth, fourth, first only, C it's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, D it's the fifth, fourth, third, second one. Friends, so C is the right option for these MCQs. Friends, I am चर्चा करेंगे about this act. It's the Surface Act allows the banks and other financial institutions to auction the commercial or residential properties of the borrowers or customer to recover the loan amount when a borrower fails to repay the loan amount. This is the meaning of that is the Surface Act. Its act is 2002. Friends, you have to remember. So next one MCQ आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे which are the retirement benefits to employees from the following. So whether it's a pension fund, second one pension, third one is death cum retirement gratuity. Whether option first and second only, B it's the first and third only, C it's the second and third only, D it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the pension fund, pension as well death cum retirement gratuity, so these retirement benefits are available to the employees. So next one हम देखेंगे which insurance company is not a public sector insurance company. Whether it's the GIC of India, B it's that is the United India Insurance Company, C it's the SBI Life Insurance Company, D it's the New India Assurance Company Limited. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब GIC of India, General Insurance Corporation of India, then United India Insurance Company as well as the New India Assurance Company. So these are the Public sector companies, where the SBI Life Insurance Company is a private sector insurance company. So next one हम देखेंगे which method is used to for international money transfer, whether it's the NFT, B it's the RTGS, C it's the SWIFT, मतलब SWIFT, then T it's the bank transfer. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So NFT it stands for National Electronic Fund Transfers, RTGS it's the real time gross settlement. So आगे हम चर्चा करेंगे with regard to NEFT and RTGS, the basic difference between these two. So I am चर्चा करेंगे SWIFT full form is what is this? Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. The next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the efforts have been made to provide the safe and secure e-payment option. The RBI has launched what? Whether Vision 2019, B it's the Vision 2020, then C Vision 2021, and then it's A, that is the Vision 2022. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the objectives of IMPS are to what? So friends, so IMPS it stands for Immediate Payment Service. Whether A it's the create the competition with RTGS and NFT, B it's the build the foundation for a full range of mobile banking services. Third one, make the payments simpler just with the mobile number of a beneficiary. Fourth one is enable bank customers to use the mobile instruments as a channel to access their bank accounts and remit the funds 24/7. Select the right answer from the options given below. Whether A it's first, second, third only, B it's the second, third, fourth only, C it's the fourth, third, one only, D it's the fourth, third, second only. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. With regard to the IMPS, so the fourth one, then the third one, then the second one are or the objectives of IMPS are the objectives. So this one and this one. So next one हम देखेंगे the LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India Act. It's a typing error. Was passed by the Parliament in which year? Whether it's in 1955, it's a 1956, C it's in 1971, D it's in 1972. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So LIC of India Act was passed by the Parliament in which year? 1956. So next one हम देखेंगे. So development financial institution मतलब DFIS. So D stands for development, then the F stands for financial, I stands for institution. Have been established to for which purposes or objectives? Whether A it's regulate the stock exchange, B it's the regulate the financial market, third one it's provide the short-term funds, D it's the develop the industry, agriculture and other key sector. Whether options are fourth only, B it's the first and fourth only, C it's the second and fourth only, D it's the third and fourth only. Friends, so A is the right option. Development financial institutions have been established to develop the industry, agriculture and other key sectors. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, I am searching which plan or product offered by insurance companies that, unlike a pure insurance policy, gives investor both insurance and investment under a single integrated plan. Whether it's the money back policy, based the endowment plan, C it's the ULIP मतलब unit linked insurance plans, D it's the term insurance plans. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So it's known as what is this ULIP मतलब U stands for unit, L stands for linked, I stands for insurance, P stands for plans or policies. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, developmental banks are the whether A the branches of commercial banks, whether in private or public sector situated in a rural area towards upliftment of weaker sections of the society. Second one, financial sections to provide the long term the financial sectors. financial sectors to provide the long-term finance to industries. Third one, land development banks to provide the development financing to the agriculture sector. Whether it's the second only, B it's the first and second only, C it's the second and third only, D it's the second and third only. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So the development banks are that is the branches of a commercial bank, whether in private or public sector, situated in rural areas towards upliftment of weaker section of the society. It's the second only, so not first. So it's the second only. It's that is the financial sector to provide the long term finance to the industries. So आगे हम चर्चा करेंगे about the more and more MCQs on developmental banks. So friends, so second one is the right. So next one देखेंगे, dash is the contract between two insurers. That is the original insurer and the another insurer. Friends, so insurer means the insurance companies, whether it's a subsidiary insurance, it's the reinsurance, third one is co-insurance, D it's the double insurance. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So reinsurance is a contract between two insurers, that is the original insurer and another insurer. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, which principle of insurance mention that the insured must have insurable interest in the life or the property insured, whether it's the subrogation, B it's the causa proxima, C it's the insurable interest, D it's the indemnity. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, Exim Bank has been friends established in the year 1982 for the purpose of what? Whether it's a functioning as a specialized institution to provide the comprehensive credit on international competitive terms for exports of capital goods, engineering goods, manufactured produced projects and services. Second one, it's providing the refinance facilities towards the export financing by banks and other financial institutions. Third one, it's offering the advisory services to exporters for non-traditional exports, whether A it's the first and second only, B it's the first and third only, C it's the second and third only, D it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So first, second, third will be the or are the objectives of Exim Bank. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Then which of the following is the first development bank in India, whether it's the IFCI. Friends, it's a Industrial Finance Corporation of India, year of establishment is 1948. B it's the State Financial Corporation, its establishment is that is 1956. Then C it's a IDBI मतलब Industrial Development Bank of India, its establishment year is that is 1964. And D it's a, we have already discussed, NABARD. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब IFCI is the first development bank in India. So its establishment year is 1948. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, टैक्स कमिटी और which committee suggested the reopening of insurance sector to private players. Other A it's that is the typing error is there, Narsimham committee, B is the Goel committee, C is the K.N. Malhotra committee, D it's the R.N. Malhotra committee. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब R.N. Malhotra committee has suggested for reopening of the insurance sector to the private, both the life insurance and non-life insurance companies. So next one हम देखेंगे, which one is not the correct statement with regard to the NBFC, non-banking financial companies or companies, whether it's NBFC cannot accept the demand deposits, B it's the NBFC cannot undertake the insurance business, C it's form part of the payment and settlement system and cannot issue the checks drawn on itself. D. Its deposit insurance facility of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation is not available to depositors of NBFC. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब NBFC cannot undertake the insurance business, but so accept the so it's the first A, C, D are the correct statement with regard to the NBFC. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. Say next one हम देखेंगे a contract of insurance is dash or which types of agreement, whether it's the contingent, it's the void, it's the voidable, D it's the wagering. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A contract of insurance is a contingent agreement. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे who regulates and supervise the activities of NBFCs, whether it's Ministry of Finance Ministry, Government of India, B it's the RBI, C it's the SEBI, D it's the concerned state government. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब RBI regulates and supervise the activities of NBFCs. So next one हम देखेंगे which bank has introduced the credit card first in India, whether it's the Central Bank of India, B it's the State Bank of India, C it's the Punjab National Bank, D it's the ICICI Bank. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब Central Bank of India has introduced the credit card first in India. So next one हम देखेंगे which one from the among is the first bank to introduce the ATM in India. So ATM friends, it stands for automated teller machine. Whether A it's the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, B it's the ICICI Bank, C it's the State Bank of India, D it's the Central Bank of India. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब HSBC introduced first the ATM in India. So next one हम देखेंगे according to which sections of RBI Act 1934 RBI is liable to pay the value of bank note to its holder, whether section 16, B it's section 20, C it's the section 26, D it's the section 30. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब as per the according to section 26 of the RBI Act 1934, RBI is liable to pay the value of a bank note to its holder. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे headquarter of Bank of International Settlements BIS is situated in which country, whether it's America, B it's the France, C it's the China, D it's the Switzerland. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So BIS, it stands for Bank for International Settlements. So friends, in Basel norm will discuss in separate video in detail. So its establishment year is that is 1974. So next one हम देखेंगे the new reform in the Indian banking system include what, whether it's agents work, B it's the borrowings from government, third one it's the banking consolidation, fourth one it's digitalization of bank operations. So select the right option from the following as given below, whether A it's the third fourth only, B it's the first second third only, C it's the second third fourth only, D it's all of these. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So banking consolidation and digitalization of bank operations are the new reform in the Indian banking system. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखें selling of insurance products to banks is known as क्या है, whether it's A is franchising, B it's the bank insurance, C it's bank assurance, D it's the insurance linked banking. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ, that a customer will get both the banking product and the insurance product at a bank, मतलब in a single window, or from a single window. It's the meaning of that is the बैंक एश्योरेंस। सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे द पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इज कितना साल, whether it's 5 years, be it the 10 years, C it's the 15 years, D it's can be many years. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The period of life insurance is that is can be many years. So it may be 10 years or 15 years or it may be the 20 years or it may be the 30 years. So next one हम देखेंगे dash is known as the queen of Indian financial system, whether it's the RRBs, B it's the RBI, C it's the NABARD, D it's it's C and it's D. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब RBI is known as, regarded as or called the queen of Indian financial system. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is the fast development financial institution in India. So friends, we have already discussed. So it's no doubt friends. So it's the C will be the right option. So IFCI, it's Industrial Finance Corporation of India. So its establishment is 1948. So next one हम देखेंगे which statement is not true about or with regard to the call money. A it's that it is used for interbank transactions. B it's it is a short-term finance repayable on demand. Then third one it's a maturity period range from 1 day to 15 days. So D it's there is a direct relationship between the call rates and other short-term money market instruments. So friends, so D is not the right. So call money, so it is used for interbank transactions. Then it is a short-term finance payable on demand. So its maturity period it's a 1 days to maximum 15 days. So both A, B, C are the correct statement with regard to the call money market. So next one is a MCQ, the vital MCQ. If RBI increases the CRR, what will be happened? Whether first situation it increases the demand for the money, B it increases the money supply, C it decreases the inflation. So whether option A first second only, B it's the first third only, C it's the second and third only, D it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. If RBI increases the CRR, then it increases the demand for money, then it decreases the money supply, then it decreases the inflation. So D is the right option for this MCQ. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of CRR. So here cash reserve ratio is defined as a particular minimum amount of deposits that need to be maintained as a reserve by every commercial banks in India according to the requirement of RBI. So aim of CRR is to ensure that banks do not run out of cash when the depositors require the fund for their personal needs. So its example, customer is there, then the bank, then the RBI. So deposit amount कितना है 10,000. So bank, suppose as per the RBI instruction, so bank has to deposit कितना 300 rupees to the bank and the remaining that is the 9,700. So the bank will make the transaction, or whenever a customer will come to the bank, then the customer will not face the problem with regard to that is the drawing the amount and other things. Suppose the CRR that is the 3%, and from time to time RBI changes its CRR rate. So next one हम देखेंगे open market operation means what? Whether purchase and sale of the government securities by RBI, B it's the monetary policies of policies initiated by RBI, C it's the reverse repo rate, D it's loans and advances credit provided to commercial banks. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Open market operation means what? The purchase and selling of government securities by RBI. So आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे the repo rate is there, reverse repo rate is there, so we have to know about the repo rate. Is what is this? Repo rate is the rate at which the Central Bank of India, matlab Reserve Bank of India, RBI, grants the loan to the commercial banks for a short period against the government security. Reverse repo rate is what is this? So reverse repo rate is the rate at which the commercial banks grant loan to the Central Bank of India, matlab to the RBI. The purpose of repo rate is what? To fulfill the deficiency of funds. Then, so here to ensure the liquidity of income. Then the rate, repo rate is high as compared to the reverse repo rate, and if the reverse repo rate is always less than the repo rate. Then the control, the repo rate is there to control the inflation. Friends, inflation means that is the general tendency of raising the essential products. Then here the reverse repo rate controls the money supply in the economy. Then so repo rate is charged on repurchase agreement, where the reverse repo rate is charged on reverse repurchase agreement. So friends, it's the basic difference between repo rate and a reverse repo rate. Then which one is not used in the monetary policy of RBI? Whether it's the dividend rate, B it's the repo rate, C it's the bank rate, D it's the cash reserve ratio. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, we have already discussed that is the repo rate, that is the bank rate, as well as the cash CRR. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is counted under the statutory liquidity ratio, ASLR. Whether A it's the balance with RBI, B it's the cash in hand, C it's the gold owned by the commercial banks. Options are whether first, second only, B it's the second, third only, C it's the second, third only, D it's all of these. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So here what is this? मतलब SLR मतलब क्या है? SLR is the minimum percentage of deposit that the commercial banks maintain through the gold, cash and other securities. The meaning of SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. So next one हम देखेंगे repo rate means at the rate, friends, which we have already discussed. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So bills are discounted by the RBI. Friends, we have already discussed the basic difference between repo rate and a reverse repo rate. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the quantitative instruments of RBI, whether it's the bank rate policy, B it's the SLR, C it's the CRR. So whether it's the first, second only, B it's the first, third only, C it's the second and third only, D it's the all of these. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So bank rate policy, SLR and CRR are the quantitative instruments of RBI. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is also known as or treated as or called as the what, the industrial paper, whether it's a treasury bill, B it's the commercial bill, C it's the commercial paper, D it's the certificate of deposit. So no doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब commercial paper is also called the industrial paper. So friends, we have already discussed the difference in Indian financial system and the basic difference between that is the money market and the capital market. Kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So next one हम देखेंगे which most common financial services are provided to the foreign investors, whether it's the factoring services, it's the financial services, it's the custodian services, D it's the banking service. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the custodial service, financial services are provided to the foreign investors for protection of their investment. So next one हम देखेंगे financial innovation is also known as क्या है? No doubt friends, so it's C is the right option. मतलब the financial engineering. आइए friends हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of financial engineering, the creative application of the financial technology to solve the financial problems or create the financial opportunity. So this is done in order to maximize the profits by using the different combinations of equity, futures, options, fixed income swaps. So they apply the theoretical finance and computer modeling skills to make pricing, hedging, trading and portfolio management decisions. So here in financial engineering, the mathematical techniques or models will be used for these purposes. So next one हम देखेंगे NBFC are allowed to accept the deposits up to dash of their net owned. Whether it's the 5 times, B it's the 10 times, C it's the 15 times, D it's the 20 times. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. NBFC are allowed to accept the deposits up to कितना टाइम्स 10 टाइम्स ऑफ देयर नेट ओन्ड. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे द कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी नॉर्म हैज बीन इम्प्लीमेंटेड अंडर द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ व्हिच कमिटी. वेदर इट्स मालहोत्रा कमिटी, बी इट्स द नरसिंहम कमिटी, सी इट्स द वर्मा कमिटी, डी इट्स द रघुराम राजन कमिटी. सो फ्रेंड्स, सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे व्हेन सिक्योरिटीज आर अलाउड टू institutional investors and some selected individuals, it's known as क्या है. whether it's the initial public offer, B it's the further public offer, C it's the private placement, D it's a offer for sale. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. When the securities are allotted to institutional investors and some selected individuals, it is known as a what the private placement. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे शुभम कंपनी लिमिटेड हैज सोल्ड एन एंटायर लॉट ऑफ 10 lakh इक्विटी शेयर्स एट द rupees 10 is to Lucky Bank. The bank in turn shall offer the share to public for subscription at the rate rupees 12 per share. Select the method of flotation of a share being mentioned in the given below. Whether it's the private placement, B it's the offer for sale, C it's the right issue, D it's the offering through prospectus. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the risky investment but the speculative appeal and they offer much higher return as compared to safety bonds. Whether it's equity shares, B it's the preference shares, C it's the junk bond, D it's all of these. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So junk bonds are risky investment but the speculative appeal and they offer much higher return as compared to the safety bonds. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, when RBI has stated the implementation of NPA guidelines, when whether it's 1990, B it's 1992, C it's 1999, D it's 2000. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The when RBI has stated the implementation of NPA guidelines in 1992. So B is the right option. So it's friends, we have already discussed the meaning of non-performing assets. So next one, which one is treated as the fourth components of a financial system? Whether it's a financial services, B it's the financial market, C it's the financial instrument, D it's the financial institution. So friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. So financial services is treated as the fourth component of a financial system. So next one, specialized financial institutions are also known as क्या है, whether it's NBFC, B it's the development bank, C it's the commercial banks, D it's the RRB. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The specialized financial institutions are also known as what the development bank. So next one, which one of the following act as an intermediary between the governments and the money market? Whether SAB, B it's the commercial bank, C it's the RBI, D it's all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. RBI acts as the intermediary between the governments and money market. So next one हम देखेंगे mutual fund schemes pays the tax on capital gain at what? Whether A 5% LTGC मतलब long term capital gain, 15% STCG मतलब short term capital gain, B it's the 15% LTGC and 20% STCG, C it's the 15% LTGC and 15% STGC, D it's the it's the 10% LTGC and 15% STGC. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. आइए, so what is the meaning? मतलब क्या है? Mutual fund, it's a managed fund that holds the money from the shareholder to invest in securities. So next one, which of a well established and financial sound company that has operated for many years, whether it's a equity share related company, be it the blue chip, C it's a debenture, D it's the treasury bills. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So blue chip companies are financially established and large well or the large scale बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर रेगुलेटेड इन इंडिया बाय होम, वेदर ए इट्स द एसोसिएशन ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स ऑफ इंडिया AMFI, B it's the IRDA, C it's the RBI, C D it's the SEBI. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So mutual funds are regulated in India by whom? SEBI. So next one हम देखेंगे which are the functions of financial markets, whether it's mobilization savings, second one is the price fixation, third one it's the provide the liquidity to financial assets, whether A first second only, B it's first and third only, C it's the second third only, D it's all the above. Friends, so mobilization savings, price fixation as well as the providing the liquidity to financial assets are the main functions of a financial market. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of financial markets. So financial market, any marketplace where the trading of securities occurs, including the stock market, bond market, forex market and derivative markets and among others. It's the meaning of the financial market. So buying and selling of financial assets in a where that is the financial market. So next one हम देखेंगे the value of one unit of investment in mutual fund is known as क्या है, whether it's the no doubt friends. So this will be the net asset value, मतलब NAV. What is this NAV? So NAV represents the net value of an entity and it's calculated and is calculated as the total value of entity's assets minus total value of its liability. So it's known as NAV. Then which is not the correct statement with regard to the primary markets, whether it facilitates the transfer of investable funds from savers to entrepreneurs, B it is also called the old issue markets, C it deals with new securities being issued for the first time to public, D it's both debt and equity funds can be raised in this market. So except this, matlab B is not the correct statement with regard to the primary market. So primary market, it's known as what is this, that is the new issue market. So next one is there are dash digits in mobile money identifier, MMID was 7, B9, C10, D it's 12. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब there are 7 digits in mobile MMID. Next one MCQ, for maintaining the regulatory capital, which risks are covered in pillar 1, minimum capital requirement, whether it's market risk, second it's the financial risk, third one is the operational risk, fourth one is that is the credit risk. Select the right options from the following given below, whether A it's the first, second, third only, B it's the second, third, fourth only, C it's the first, third, fourth only, D it's all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In pillar 1, the capital requirements, these risks are taken into consideration, that is it's a market risk, then it's operational risk as well as the credit risk. So financial risk will not be taken into consideration or is not covered in the pillar 1 minimum capital requirement. So next one हम देखेंगे the type of digital payment methods in India are given below, whether it's the Aadhaar enabled payment system, B it's the mobile banking, third one it's the mobile wallet, fourth one is that is the UPI, then fourth one is credit cards, then Next one is the fifth one, Bharat interface for money, V. Then seventh one, it's the point of sales, POS. Select the right options given below with respect to digital payments. Whether A it's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth only, B it's the first, second, third, fourth, and sixth only, C it's the first, second, third, fifth, and sixth only, D it's all the above. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब these these seven are the digital payment methods in India. So next one हम देखेंगे which are coming under the operational risk from the following. Whether it's market risk, B it's political risk, third one it's legal risk, fourth one is people risk. Select the right option given below with respect to operational risk. A it's the first, second, fourth only. B it's the second, third, fourth only. C it's the first, third, fourth only. D it's all the above. Friends, these four are market risks as well as the legal risks, political risks, people risks are coming under the operational risks of from the operational banks and operational risks of a bank. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is treated as the dead check. Whether A it's the stale check, B it's the blank check, C it's the pre-dated check, D it's the post-dated check. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे about the dead check or the stale check. The validity of check from the date of issue is कितना 3 months. The date of validity of check is initiated by RBI with effect from 1st April to 2012. So after 3 months, a check becomes stale one, which is equal to a dead check in the sense that it is no longer valid. It's the meaning of a dead check. So next one, RTGS system works how many days in a year? Whether 250 days, B it's 300 days, C it's 365 days, D it's 366 days. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, I am चर्चा करेंगे difference between RTGS and NEFT. So maximum 2 lakhs limit is there. So here no limit is there. Then it's the that is the gross settlement is there, but here that is the net settlement. Then immediate settlement takes 2 hours. So in the case of NFT, where it's the fee is costly, but here smaller transaction fee. So friends, it's the difference between RTGS and NFT. So next one, who has recommended to RBI for the establishment of a data warehouse towards banking and finance? A it's R.N. Malhotra, B it's Dr. C. Rangarajan, C it's the Bimal Jalan, D it's the D Vasudevan. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब so D Vasudevan has recommended to RBI for the establishment of a data warehouse towards banking and finance. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, which act is the predecessor of IRDA Act 1999? Whether it's the LIC Act 1956, B it's the JIC Act 1972, C it's the Insurance Act 1938, D it's the Employee State Insurance Act 1948. So friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. So the Insurance Act 1938 is the predecessor of the IRDA Act 1999. So next one हम देखेंगे तो minimum lock in period of ULIP is कितना? Whether 3 years, B it's 5 years, C it's 8 years, D it's no lock in period. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The lock in period of ULIP is कितना? It's 5 years. Friends, so during this period, lock in period, so it cannot be, or the liquidity provision will not be available. So next one देखेंगे cooperative development bank has been set up by whom? Whether NABARD, B it's RBI, C it's the central government, D it's the state government. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Cooperative Development Bank has been set up by NABARD. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, देखते देखते we have already discussed the 79 MCQ. So it's the last but not the least. The forfeiting is done by which bank in India? Whether it's IDBI, B it's a commercial bank, C it's the RBI, D it's the Exim Bank. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So forfeiting, so it's a normally it's applicable in the case of import and export or international trade. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of forfeiting. So forfeiting is a method of a trade finance which allows to exporter to get the cash by selling the medium and long term foreign accounts receivable at a discount to forfeiter. And forfeiter is a specialized financial institution or firm or a bank. So friends, so these are all about the 80 vital MCQs from the banking and the financial institutions. So friends, so I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So if you have visited first time to my channel, kindly you subscribe it. So I am requesting to all of you, kindly you share it, kindly forward it. So I am waiting your valuable comment and a suggestion. So thanks a lot to all of you.